This is in Java here. As y'all see in this video, the tools to do port work and polishing. I've been working on this MS660. As you can see, the shininess, how beautiful it turns out, and just almost a mirror finish. And these are the tools that it takes to get the job done. These cutting bits, this special little tool I made here to get the emery cloth in there and getting those corners and sand. But this is all the little tools that I use. Just a regular old Dremel with a wand, and clean paper towels, and different size grit sanding sheets from 120 all the way up to 2000 grit. And then I finish it off with some Scotch-Brite and WD-40. And that's about what it takes to get started in the world of porting chainsaws. Thanks for watching.